Hey, biology students. By now it is Monday or Tuesday morning, um, April 26th or 27th, and I am out for a few days. And so I do want to show you guys the assignment that you're doing today. You are watching Netflix. Um, it is on YouTube, so I'm going to give you guys a YouTube link for this. Our focus for this week is climate change and human interaction. Now that you've learned a lot about ecology as a whole, kind of how the systems work together, how our ecosystems kind of bounce off each other with the carbon cycle and the nitrogen cycle, with our decomposing bacteria and all of our organisms from our producers all the way up to the apex predators, which we are considered. And so we're going to be focusing on the love of our planet and kind of climate change as a whole, what we can do about it, what we can change, what isn't going so well, and what is going so well. So we're going to start kind of this week by watching a Netflix episode. And this is called Our Planet. It is a series on Netflix. You are only watching episode 1 today, and I think it's about 45 minutes. So you should be able to get it done in class and answer all of the questions before you leave. Okay? So I'm just going to take you through some of the questions. You guys will be able to click the link here. I'm also going to provide a link for you on the hub that you can click, but you shouldn't have a problem accessing it. It should be watchable from your computer, or if you have Netflix and you want to look for it and watch it on a bigger screen, that's totally okay with me too. So you're going to be either answering as you watch or after you watch. I would recommend answering these questions as you watch because they are in order, okay? So the first question is, how much have wildlife populations declined in the last 50 years? Why do you think this is? Okay, so they're going to give a little background, but I want your answer for why you think it is. Then you're going to go into a couple of different phenomenons. Okay, so they're going to go through different sections of the episode. They're not going to say phenomena 1, ocean currents and winds, but it is a section. Okay, so you have ocean currents and winds. You've got 2 questions to answer there. Interconnected food webs, 1 question for this phenomena. Predator-prey relationships, 1 question for this. Biodiversity, 1 question for this. Symbiosis, which is organisms living together, 1 question for this. And then polar regions warming, you've got 1 question for this. And then the last one is, the title of this episode is One Planet. How is this theme of connectedness demonstrated in this documentary? Give examples. Now, in order for you to get full credit on this assignment, you are answering in complete sentences and giving thoughtful answers. Okay, so that means if you are just giving me like 1 to 2 sentences, you might not get full credit. I want you guys to really focus on your answers and give me thoughtful answers. Okay? When you are finished with this, you can work on your extra credit opportunity for Earth Day that I assigned last week. If you would like, if that's something that you are interested in, and you can read about all of the extra credit options on the hub. Okay, I will be back on Wednesday and you can ask me any questions that you might have, but this specific assignment is due before you leave class. I will see you guys soon.